Let me guess. It's 11:47 p.m. You're lying in bed, lights off, phone in hand, and suddenly your brain turns into a genius. You start planning your life. Tomorrow, you'll wake up early, you'll study properly, fix your routine, get your life together. You feel motivated, focused, almost unstoppable. But then morning comes, and you feel like a different person. Slow, tired, useless. If that sounds like you, you're not broken, and you're definitely not lazy. There's a real reason this happens, and once you understand it, you can actually use it to your advantage. Stay with me. Here's the truth no one tells students. Nighttime motivation is fake motivation. Not because it's wrong, but because it's cheap. At night, your brain is relaxed. There's no pressure, no teachers, no deadlines screaming at you. Your brain loves that. So it starts imagining a better version of you, a productive you, a disciplined you. And imagination feels good. It gives you dopamine. But notice something. At night, you're not actually doing anything. You're just planning, dreaming, watching productivity videos, saving routines you'll never follow. Your brain mistakes planning for progress. That's why it feels so good. But this is where the trap begins. Because the same brain that feels motivated at night is the one that sabotages you in the morning. In the morning, reality hits. You didn't sleep on time. Your alarm feels violent. Your body is heavy. Your brain is foggy. And now, action is required. Studying, attending class, facing tasks you avoided yesterday. This is where motivation disappears. Why? Because motivation hates friction. At night, there's zero friction. In the morning, there's tons of it. Cold floor, bright light, noise, expectations. So your brain goes into defense mode. It says, let's check the phone first. Just 5 more minutes. We'll start after breakfast. And suddenly, your productive version of you is gone. Same person, different environment. That's the key. Think about exams. At night, you swear, tomorrow I'll study 6 hours. Morning comes, you open the book, and your brain says, nope. Not because you're weak, but because you relied on motivation instead of structure. And that's where most students fail. Here's the big realization. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Night motivation is meant for preparation, not meant for action. Read that again. Stop trying to wake up motivated. That almost never works. Instead, use nighttime clarity to set up your morning self. Because morning you is tired, lazy, and honestly kind of dumb. So don't expect discipline from him. Outsmart him. So how do you actually do that? Here are 4 simple things that change everything. Step 1. Capture night ideas. Don't trust them. At night, your brain throws ideas at you. Wake up at 5, study 3 chapters, fix life. Don't argue with them, just write them down. But here's the rule. Turn big ideas into tiny morning actions. Not, I'll study everything, but open notebook, read 1 page, sit at desk. Your only job at night is to lower the bar, so low that morning you can't say no. Step 2. Remove morning decisions. Mornings fail because of decisions. What to wear, what to study, where to start. Decision fatigue kills motivation. So decide everything at night. Clothes ready, books on desk, laptop charged, 1 clear task written. Morning you should only do 1 thing. Follow instructions. Like a robot, no thinking. Step 3. Create a wake-up win. This part is huge. Most people start mornings with pain, alarm, rush, stress. Instead, give yourself a quick win, something easy. Make your bed, drink water, step into sunlight. Play one song you love. This tells your brain, I'm moving. Momentum beats motivation, every time. Step 4. Stop night self-sabotage. One honest truth. If you scroll till 2 a.m., no system will save you. Night motivation dies the moment sleep is sacrificed. You don't need perfect sleep, you need good enough sleep. Try this tonight. Phone off 30 minutes earlier, lights slightly dim, same sleep time even on weekends. You don't need extreme discipline, you need consistency. Let me say this clearly. You're not lazy, you're just expecting too much from the wrong version of yourself. So remember this, night motivation is planning energy. Morning action is system energy. Motivation fades, structure stays. Use the night to prepare, use the morning to execute small. That's how real change happens, not overnight, but daily. If this helped you even a little, try one thing tonight, just one. And if you want more videos like this, real talk, no fake hustle, subscribe. We're not chasing motivation here. We're building a life that works even on bad days. Let's level up together.